about maybe a little bit higher. About this high in a Vitamix. This is for, I think, about one. It might be a little too much, but I should have probably poured less for one person, but right about there for one person. This is probably going to be for 2 servings, but whatever. It's too late now. So he wants like a chocolate peanut butter flavor, so I'm going to use peanut butter, obviously. I don't have much left, so
Almond butter.
I'm going to add almond butter too. So I'm using a tablespoon of peanut butter. You guys, look who's here. He smelled peanut butter, even though he's never gonna have peanut butter ever again in his whole entire life. Okay, so we're probably gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Actually, I think that's enough. 1 tablespoon was enough. I did 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Tiny bit of cinnamon. Tiny bit of flaxseed. About a tablespoon of cacao powder. About a cup of ice. Then you're going to blend it all.
Hurry up.
So you always do a taste test at the end because you want to make sure that it tastes good. It's not sweet enough, so I'm going to add a little bit of honey.
All right, babe, that's enough honey.
Blend it up again.
Good size.